Okay, here's our Penobscot 14 St. Jacques. It's got a Sprit rig, 14-foot lap straight. Started with the wide hull design, shortened down a little bit, and added this sailing rig. We chose the Sprit for simplicity, lightness of the rig, and no boom. Added a brailing line. It lets the goes around the leech of the sail. And our snotter, we ran it all the way down to the thwart. Sails from a sailright kit. Oars are some long leaf pine that used to pull duty on a mullet boat, local. Centerboard, we didn't put any weight in it, so we have a downhaul for it with cleat, and then when it needs to be up when it's on land and not floating, have another little line for the handle. Got the kume plywood and cypress seats. Made the seats so you could pick them up, store things under if you wanted to, and keep some reserve flotation under the bow and the stern. Put a little bridle on the back with a small block held in by some belaying pins. Rudder's Arch Davis design. Once again, we didn't put any weight in it, so it floats, stays up most of the time. We added a little downhaul line, runs up the forward part, comes in here when we need it down. Just pull it down, use this high-tech sunfish cleat as a handle to pull it. And then when we need it up, like it is right now, ran this line up through the yoke into a little jam cleat, and that holds that up. So it's a great little boat for rowing. Fun little sailor on a light wind day. Flying the skipper's ensign. Hope y'all are having a great day.